Okay, it's saltwater season, and you've been looking for a bay boat. Bayou Outdoor Supercenter has got one for you. How about this? It is the Excel 203 Bay Pro. Now, this one comes completely loaded out with the stainless package on it. In fact, I've got some notes here. The stainless package includes your rod holder, your console cup holders, steering wheel, cleats, the whole 9 yards. And you know what? I want to get a tight shot on the cleat here. Cleat right here in the corner. These cleats are mounted on the inside for safety. You're out there on the Gulf, you don't want those cleats out on the outside because of a rope or a fishing line or anything along those lines. These are inside the boat. That's going to help you out in so many different ways. Oh, and while we're tight on this isn't 100 gauge, this is 125 gauge metal. This thing is ready to go. We'll take a beating. Incredible trailer for you. The Yamaha Show 4-stroke on there, 115. I mean, 3-bank charger for this one for your batteries. With the Bay Pro, you get a 24-volt trolling motor, 80-pound Minn Kota trolling motor up there, 3-bank charger ready to go. Also, you get the Baystar hydraulic steering. A lot of people are really big into this now. Hydraulic steering, just like power steering for your car, makes it so easy to handle. The leaning post backrest for you. We've got a 3-step ladder on the back as well. 20 foot, 3 inches long, ready to go, ready to catch specks, reds, whatever you're trying to accomplish right now. In fact, if you want to go out to the big water, fish some of the wells out there for the bigger redfish, things, the snapper, whatever you got, this is the boat for you. Bayou Outdoor Supercenter can make you a deal on it right now. Limited supply on these, so don't play around too long. Come see it right now, the Excel 203 Bay Pro here at Bayou Outdoor Supercenter. 4306 East Texas, Bossier City.